A class, kindly stand for our prayer. Okay, Mr. Bruno, lead our prayer. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Bruno. Okay, good morning, class. Okay, very good. Kindly take your seat. Okay, Secretary, please check the attendance according to the seat plan. Okay, any absent? Okay, no. None? Very good. Okay, our topic for today, class, is about the general equation of a circle. So before we start, let me remind you that clean your surroundings, pick up pieces of papers under your chairs so that we can go safe and sound. Okay, we can have our class smoothly. Okay, now, second, during discussion, if you want to answer, please raise your right hand, okay? So that you will be recognized. Do not answer in chorus. Okay, another reminder, during group work, have your contributions to your group. Do not just rely on your leaders. Kailangan mag-contribute kayo. Okay? Now, what about the materials needed for our activities? Okay, very good. Complete. Now, proceed with our motivation. Now, for our motivation, I will play a short video clip about the general form of a circle. So, class, please listen carefully because the next activity that we will have will be based on the video. So, listen carefully, jot down notes, okay? Very good. So, let's start the video. Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed with our activity. Oh, I forgot. We should read first our objectives. Sorry, my fault. So, class, can you read our objectives? Okay, very good. So, at the end of the lesson, no, you will determine the center and radius of a given circle and its equation and vice versa. So in short, determines the center and radius of a circle given. And second one, you should be able to write the equation of a circle in general form. Okay? Now, let's proceed with our activity. So this activity is just by pair. Now I will read for you the direction. So based on the video, kindly rewrite the following into its general form. Okay, you have seen earlier the general form of a circle. So the givens, as you can see, these are the givens. So we will just rewrite this into its general form. So as easy as that. I think you can do this activity for only just 3 minutes, and time starts now. Okay. Okay, very good. So let us show your answers. Okay, how about number 1 for group of Mr. Paulo? Show your answer. Okay, very good. How about number 2? The group of Clementes. Okay, very good. So since most of you got the correct answer, so let's further discuss it for better understanding. Now, let's proceed with our discussion. Now, class, kindly read the definition of a circle. Okay, very good. Now, let me repeat it to you. A circle is a set of points equidistant from center point. So, merong center point. Now, A common form to write the equation of a circle is in is the center radius form, which is denoted by this. This is the center radius form. So to get the to be able to rewrite the general form, what are the values of this D, E, F? We will use this equation or this form. We will use center radius form. Okay, we will discuss that further. Let's just finish this. Now, where the center point is denoted by H and K. So, nga H and K, we will discuss that. And the R is the radius of the circle. So the radius is the distance from the point to the diameter of the circle. Okay. Now, here it is. This is the general form. Okay, general form. To get the values of this D, E, F, we should use this form. Substitute the given. Okay. To further understand these equations or forms, let's proceed with our example. So our example. Now, just put this. Now, oops, sorry. Now, kindly read our first example. Okay, very good. So, in the first example, it says that write the general equation of a circle with center 3 and 2. So, ito yung coordinates. 3 and 2, right? With a radius of 5 units. R natin is 5. Now, find the values of D, E, and F. Okay? Okay, let's use the center radius form. This is the center radius form. X minus 8h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. Now, let's find the value of h. The value of h is 3 because h represents the x. Okay? How about k? Our k is the value of our k is 2. So, let's just write this here. H is 3 and k is 2. Now, and our r is 5. Okay, understood? Now, we're using this formula. Let's substitute to solve it. Let's say x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2. The value of our k. Plus the value of our r is 5 squared. Squared, right? Now, further solve this, let's expand this quantities. Okay? Now, for this one, square of a binomial, it is simply, you write this one, x squared. Now, to get the value in the middle term, we should just twice the product of x times negative 3. So, x times negative 3. Diba? 3x. Negative 3x. Then, let's twice it. So, 3 times 2 is 6. So, it is simply 6x. Okay? That is the method to get the, or the shortcut to get the middle term. Okay? Now, 3 squared, positive 9, right? Plus, dito naman tayo, 9 y squared. So, the product of these two is 2y, then twice it is equal to 4y, okay? And then positive 4, because it is squared. Now, squared, 5 squared. What is 5 squared? Simply 25. Now let's simplify this. Okay, follow. Just follow. X squared, i-arrange natin, plus y squared. Sunod natin, 6x minus 4y. 4y. Now, combine like terms. 9 plus 4. Pwede natin combine. 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. Right? Is equals to 25. So, let's equate it to 0. So, how to do that? We will just transfer this 25 in the left side. So, we will going to use additive inverse. Okay? So, this would be equal to x y squared minus 6x minus 4y. So, pag nilipat natin dito, using additive inverse, magiging negative siya. So, 13 minus 25 is negative 12, right? Am I right? Negative 12, so equals to 0. Now, tama na, di ba? So, what are the values of our D, E, and F? So, our values for D, value for D is negative 6 since ito siya. Now, our value for E is negative 4. How about our F? Is negative 12. Now, how to rewrite this answer in its general form? So, magiging general form niya is, raise muna natin. Bali, ito yung magiging general form niya. Ay, ito na pala yung general form niya. Sorry. Ito yung general form. And then, kinuha na lang natin yung values ng D, E, F. Okay? Understood? So, let's have another example. Okay, for the second example, class, kindly read. So, okay, very good. Write the general equation of a circle with a center of negative 4 and 3. And the radius of R natin is 3 square root of 4. So, quite complicated, pero easy lang ito. Ibig sabihin, values ng h natin is negative 4. Negative 4 and k natin is 3. Now, solve this one using the center radius form. Okay, center radius form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared squared. Okay, yes. Now let's substitute. For the value of our h is negative 4, so we'll write this as that squared. Y, the value of our k is 3. Our r is square root of 4 squared. Now let's expand this one. So this would be x plus twice the product of 4 times x. So magiging 8x, right? And plus 16. Bakit naging positive? Kasi, bakit naging positive? Kasi itong negative times natin sa negative, magiging positive yan. So, therefore, positive ang result. Kasi tayo sa second quantity. Now, it is magiging 9 squared twice the product of these two terms here. 3 times y, which is 6y, right? Plus 9. So, to. Lagyan lang natin ito. So, to solve this one will be cancelled. But this 3 here will remain to be squared. So, therefore, mag-equal yan ng 3 squared. 3 squared natin is 9. So, maka-cancel dito. Times 4 na lang yung matitira. So, 9 times 4. Solve nyo guys. 9 times 4. Ilan ba? 9 times 2, 18, 27, 36, right? 9 times 4, 36. Is it right? Let's make it sure. Okay, good, 36. Now, okay, let's combine like terms, or let's arrange it. X squared pala to guys. Squared plus 8x minus 6y. Ito, combine like, or mas mauuna pa pala yung y squared plus y squared minus 6y. Now, let's combine like 16 plus 9, ilan? 25. So, plus 25. 36. So, additive inverse para ma-equate natin sa 0. Let's arrange it. Plus 8x minus 6y. Pag nilipat natin dito is magiging 25 minus 36 siya. So, 25 minus 36 ilan? Anong tamang sagot? 11. Negative 11, right? So, simply negative 11 is equal to 0. So, therefore, nakuha na natin yung general form out of center radius form natin. So, what are the values of D, E, and F? Paano yung D natin is 8. E natin is negative 6. Ito. And the value ng F natin is negative 11. Okay, gets? So, that's it. To get the general form, to get the value of D, E, and F in the general form, using center radius form, yun lang yung mga steps. Method natin, easy lang. Okay? Questions? Nagets ba? Basta kailangan nyo lang i-familiarize yung general form at saka center radius form. At saka be careful with substituting, okay? Okay, since no questions, let's proceed with our second activity. Now, for our second activity, by pair again, I will read you the direction. Or, Mr. Bruno, kindly just read our direction. Okay, very good. So, solve the following and write the equation of a circle in general form. So, kagaya nun, pinasolve kayo. Write it in your activity. So, sa activities natin guys, given na yung diretso na sa center radius form. So, all you have to do is just to solve it. Okay, I think 5 minutes. Okay, kaya nyo na to. 5 to 7 minutes, okay? I'll give you enough time. Okay, the time starts now. By pair. Okay, done. Very good. So, now, hold your answers. Let's answer number 1. To make it sure kung tama ba yung ginawa nyong proseso. So, given number 1 is x minus 2 squared plus So, as you can see, so let's expand this one. Ito, naka-squared na siya. Ang radius natin. So, expand this one. So, be equal to x squared. 4x plus 4. Right? Plus y squared minus 8y plus 16 plus 36. Okay? Kuha. Now, let's combine like terms. X squared is 4x plus y squared minus 8y like terms. 4 plus 16 is 20. Right? Now, let's arrange this. X squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 8y. So, how about this? So, let's just say na equate na natin siya sa 0. So, pag equate natin 0, using additive property, magiging 20 minus 36 siya. So, anong tamang sagot? Okay, negative 16, right? Negative 16 is equals to 0. Now, what is the value of our D, E, and F? Now, for the value of our D is negative 4. Ito. E natin is negative 8. F natin is negative 16. Okay, class? Gets? So, any questions? Questions? None? Okay. Now, let's proceed with our quiz. Now, for our quiz, kindly read the direction. Read carefully. Okay, answer the following and write the equation of second general form. Solve it in a one full sheet of paper. Okay, this quiz, I will give you at least 7 minutes. Okay, I think that would be enough. And we are running out of time, so 7 minutes, kaya. Okay, one hole starts now. Close your notes. Okay, very good. Now, you're done. Okay, very good. So kindly pass your papers to Mr. Ambe. He will collect your papers. Now, for your assignment. Okay. Kindly take note for this assignment. Okay, Mr. Ambe, I will going to finish that one. Please take note of your assignment. Your assignment, answer the following equations in your assignment notebook. Okay, and pass it on Monday in our next meeting. So take note or photos of it, so you could have your copy and answer it in your home. That's your homework. Okay? I think that will be all, class. So thank you for listening. Goodbye and thank you.